Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Noodletools and signing in with your school credentials. Once logged in, click New Project to begin. Choose the correct citation style, MLA, APA, or Chicago, because formatting rules differ. Enter a clear project title and select grade level so the interface adapts to your needs. Make sure to toggle annotated or outline options if required. This sets up the workspace. Once done, hit Create and you'll land in the Sources area, ready to add citations and organize research. You add sources by clicking Create New Citation and selecting the exact source type because each form asks different fields. If you have an ISBN, DOI, or URL, paste it to auto-populate fields. This saves time and reduces errors. Choose Automatic Mode to let Noodletools format the citation, or Manual Mode if the source is unusual. Once generated, edit each field and inspect the final citation line by line. Small metadata errors change punctuation and italics, so review carefully. You finish by selecting Create Bibliography to compile your work's cited or references page. Choose Export to Word or Google Docs, or copy-paste the formatted list. Make sure to use notes or annotated settings if your assignment requires commentary. Once exported, verify alphabetization and hanging indents because formatting can shift during transfer. If a citation looks incorrect, edit the source fields, toggle from automatic to manual, or re-enter identifiers. This resolves most issues quickly and preserves accurate, consistent citations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.